Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful vase using Onshape's Loft feature. This is a great tutorial for those who are new to Onshape or want to learn more about its features. So let's get started. I'll show you the standard views here. Front view, top view, left view, isometric. I'll start in an empty part studio. Press S, get the sketch command, pick that top plane, press N to have a normal view of that, P to hide all planes, and then I'll go over here to that polygon command, pick the origin, drop that there, press Enter, press V, pick that line and make that vertical that way, press D to give it a dimension, 88, okay, and do that one more time. Here, go up here, 6 again. This time I press H. That makes that line horizontal. Then I press E for the equal constraint and pick 2 of those. And that is my base sketch. Now, I'll go into isometric view here, something like that. And start a sketch on that very same plane, top plane. Use with U, I can just copy all lines that are in there. Then I hide sketch 1. And with M, I will cut everything I don't want in that sketch. All right, we got our first sketch. I'll call it like that. The first sketch for our loft. That's what I'm saying. Okay, now let's create a plane from that top plane with an offset of 120. Okay. And let's start a sketch on that plane. I press U, select that sketch, that first sketch. It is projected on my sketch plane. I rotate a little. I select the sketch entities, press Q to make them construction geometry. Press O, again, select everything that's in there. And apply a dimension of 44. Accept that and rename that sketch second. And hide sketch plane 1. I'll repeat that process. From that top plane, I'll make an offset of 248. Accept that. I can hide sketch 2, the second sketch for now. Start a sketch on that sketch plane. I press U, select that bottom sketch. Okay, it is projected in my sketch plane 2. I select that, go here to construction geometry, and press O, select all that, turn that around, press Enter, dimension that with 22, accept that, exit that. Rename that sketch. Rename it. Third, hide that. Show sketch 1 here. Hide plane 2. Repeat that process once more. Sketch plane, top. Offset distance is 444. Start a sketch on that plane. Press U. Select that sketch. Select the projected sketch. Press Q. Press O. Select the sketch. Return and 18. All right, we got our sketches. I'll rename that one here. Fourth. Hide that sketch plane. And well, let's have a look at all our sketches we will use for our Loft command. You can find the Loft command right here. And we can select the profiles from the tree here. I'll make a solid new loft. Then number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, maybe you like it, your vase like that. Or we could define start profile conditions. Normal to profile, maybe with a start magnitude of 1. And an end profile condition, again, normal to profile, maybe with a 0.4. Accept that. We got a solid part, rename that vase. You can change the appearance here. And you can right click on one sketch and say hide all sketches. And then shell the vase. We can remove one or more faces for the shell command. I'll remove that one. And give the wall thickness, the shell thickness, dimension of 4 millimeters. Accept that. And there you have it. A beautiful vase created using Onshape's Loft feature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Onshape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.